Hi, my name is Mary Malone of Coldwell Realty in the Luxe Service Group. I work with many high-end sellers right here in Hunterdon County. If you're thinking about selling your home, I'm going to share 3 big secrets in order for you as a luxury homeowner to get top dollar and a smooth sale. Presentation is everything. Luxury buyers shop with their eyes first. Lighting, professional staging, professional photography, videography, drone photography and videography. They're not just optional, they are standard when marketing a high-end home. Our videos online get thousands of views. We not only boost them on YouTube, but we also boost them on Facebook, so we can expose our luxury properties to more urban areas such as New York and Philadelphia. Overpricing a luxury home is the #1 mistake a high-end seller can make. Buyers at this level are savvy. They have done their research. I build a pricing strategy that creates urgency and possible multiple offers so that your home as a luxury home seller doesn't sit on the market. I recently worked with a high-end seller in Lebanon Township, and I started off at his price of $1.15 million. We did not get any offers, and in fact, the traffic was extremely slow. When we lowered down to $999, which was my original recommendation, we actually ended up getting multiple offers back up to where the seller wanted to be initially. So a pricing strategy is imperative to attract those high-end buyers. From targeted digital ads to luxury websites, I make sure that my high-end properties are exposed to qualified buyers everywhere. That's why I not only market locally, but also regionally. And Coldwell Banker's global network is fantastic for the high-end sellers. If you're considering selling your luxury home, I would love to chat with you about how these strategies will work to get you top dollar. With over 20 years experience and more than 250 reviews, I am honored to say I am one of Hunterdon County's top agents. If you're thinking about selling your high-end luxury home, give me a call and let's chat about your move.